So let's have a look at the interface. There's a couple of things we should just check before we do that. I'm going to look at it with my setting or my nav set to teams, and as you can see there are the teams here. So we'll start at the top right hand corner. Let's just make sure I've got teams selected here. I'm going to go over here, and this button you should be getting used to. It's the more options button, and you can see I have options there, and this is saying that I could manage the channel from here. Now the channel in this case is actually learning teams. That's the channel here, not the team itself, which is up here, which is training. Let's have a look here. You can see that if I turn this off, that the participants in my actual team have disappeared. So this is where we can navigate to see who's in a team. Wow, only 2 members. Have to do something about that. Okay, so if we move over to this little icon here, and this is a beauty, I do love this. This is where you can actually add a tab, which could be a web page, could be any one of these things. You can add a tab to the top of your Teams panel, which is quite an incredible little feature in Microsoft Teams. All of these here are tabs, so they've been created, and this is obviously my team here. Okay, if we move across over to the actual teams themselves, you can see if I select team here and go to the more options button, I can actually manage this team. So we might just have a look at that. Okay, so that's telling me that this team has got myself there, and it has, if I just click here, it's telling me that there are 2 members in this team. Okay, so you can see here there's quite a number of settings here, so we might just have a look at channels here, and we can see that there's 2 channels in this team. Okay, so I might just close that.